Welcome back, guys. So today I'll be unboxing a Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR4 RAM, and as you can see the speeds is 3000 megahertz and there are 32 gigabytes in this package, 4 times 8, so 4 sticks of 8 gigabytes. And these sticks supposedly do RGB lighting, so you can put any color on the sticks in the motherboard. So yeah, you can see right here there's red, orange, green, yellow, blue, purple, pink, and then every color in between those, so RGB. And on the back there's basically nothing really important. Top, just the logo, side logo, side logo. So let me go ahead and open it up. I did remove the seal already, but I still haven't opened them, so yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and show it to you. So the sticks of RAM are very simplistic, but they look really cool. Let me just open up this package to see how they feel. Okay, so here, ooh, it kind of feels like metal. Usually it feels like very plasticky when you get a RAM stick, but it kind of feels like some sort of metal. Maybe like a carbon fiber or something. I'm not too sure what it is, but it feels very metallic. But anyway, right here at the sides is where the RGB or the lighting should be able to come through. And I'm not sure if the Corsair logo lights up, but you can kind of see like a Corsair logo on here. Maybe it also lights up on the sides. Yeah, let's look at the packaging. So it does light up on the sides, like right here, and on the top. I think it will look really cool on in my case, but I really wasn't too worried about the RGB and stuff. It just so happened that this RAM was the cheapest that there was out there. Right now there's like some sort of shortage of RAM, so RAM is like really expensive right now. But this is the cheapest that I found, and it happened to be RGB. I was looking for 32 gigabytes and I found it, but it was really expensive. So yeah, if you're looking to build something, a new computer or something, just wait until, I don't know, maybe like March or April or maybe even May, so that the prices of these RAMs can go back down. But right now they're really expensive, but I really needed a new build, so I got it anyway. So let me go ahead and put him on the motherboard, and I'll see you back in just a second. Okay, so the RAM is installed. Let me show you really quickly. So here's the 4 pieces of RAM sitting there. I don't have any power to the computer yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video in just a minute, and I'm gonna make sure that all the fans and the pump gets plugged in correctly, and then I'm gonna start installing Windows on this computer. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like this video and subscribe.